Welcome to Product Critique. In today's video, we're going to talk about the best Flex Nail Strengthener that will transform your nails. If you've been struggling with weak, brittle, or peeling nails, you're in the right place. FlexiNail Penetrating Fingernail Conditioner and Strengthener is here to repair and maintain your natural nails, making them strong and beautiful. This innovative formula is designed to address common nail issues such as dryness, brittleness, and splitting. If your nails have been damaged from harsh conditions or you just want to give them an extra boost, FlexiNail is the solution you've been waiting for. It's a simple yet effective treatment that requires just 25 seconds of your day. Yes, you heard that right, just 25 seconds to apply, and that's all it takes to start your journey towards healthier nails. FlexiNail is made in the USA and Canada, which means high-quality ingredients and no dangerous fillers. This product uses natural oils like jojoba, safflower, and grapeseed to penetrate and nourish your nails. These oils are known for their moisturizing and strengthening properties, ensuring that your nails get the hydration and nutrients they need. The best part? This product works over time. While you may not see immediate results, with consistent use, your nails will gradually grow stronger and healthier. FlexiNail doesn't promise overnight miracles. It's all about steady, lasting improvements. Within a couple of months, you'll notice a significant difference in the way your nails look and feel. Each pack comes with 2 bottles, which is enough to last you up to 4 months with daily application. That's a great value for a long-term nail care solution. And, since it's so easy to apply, you won't need to spend much time on your nail routine. Just brush it on once or twice a day, and let the product do the rest. FlexiNail is suitable for those with weak, peeling, or damaged nails, but it's also a great preventative measure for anyone who wants to maintain strong and healthy nails. Whether you're dealing with nails that constantly chip or you've had a history of nail issues, this strengthener can help repair and reinforce your nails, keeping them in top shape. If you're tired of dealing with brittle nails that break at the slightest touch, FlexiNail offers a practical and effective solution. It's time to say goodbye to split nails and hello to strong, gorgeous natural nails. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth product reviews. See you in the next video.